Hello students, today we learn about mobile and different technology and device used in mobile communication. So first of all, we understand the term mobile communication using mobile phones and portable computing devices, such as smartphones and tablet computers, is called mobile communication. Communication using mobile phones and portable computing devices such as smartphones and tablet computers. What is bandwidth? In communication, bandwidth refers to the maximum capacity of a wired or wireless communication link to transmit data over a network in a given amount of time. It essentially defines how much data can be transferred, often measured in bits per second, BPS, kilobits per second, kbps, megabits per second, mbps, or gigabits per second, gbps. A higher bandwidth allows for faster and more data to be transmitted. What is frequency? Frequency refers to how often a repeating event occurs within a specific time period, typically measured in cycles per second or hertz. In simpler terms, it's the rate at which something happens repeatedly. For example, in waves like sound or light, it's the number of wave cycles that pass a point in 1 second. CDMA, which stands for Code Division Multiple Access, is a digital cellular technology that allows multiple users to share the same frequency band simultaneously. It does this by assigning each user a unique code, which is used to spread their signal across the entire frequency band. GSM refers Global System for Mobile Communication. It is a digital cellular network standard used for mobile phone communication. GSM was developed as a replacement for first-generation 1G analog cellular networks and became a widely adopted standard for second-generation 2G networks. Mobile network technology has evolved through 5 generations, from 1G to 5G. 1G provided basic analog voice call, while 2G introduced in the 1990s provided basic voice and text services. 3G launched in the 2000s enabled faster data speeds and mobile internet access. 4G introduced in the 2010s further enhanced data speeds and supported features like HD video streaming. 5G launched more recently, promises even faster speeds, lower latency, and the ability to connect a massive number of devices. Core technologies driving connectivity. GSM, 2G per 3G. Global System for Mobile Communications, foundational for voice. LTE, 4G. Long-term evolution, enable mobile broadband, video streaming. 5G high-speed internet. EMBB, URLLC, MMTC capabilities. Peak speeds up to 1 gigabit per second. Social impact, bridging divides, empowering citizens. Digital inclusion, connecting remote villages, bridging information gap. E-governance, Uwang, MyGov accessible via mobile, improving public services. Financial inclusion, UPI transactions hit 12.2 billion January 2024, enabling digital payments. Education and health, remote learning, telemedicine accessible via smartphones. Future trends in mobile communication. 6G vision. India aims for global leadership, targeting 2030 deployment. Satellite communication, bridging last-mile connectivity gaps. OneWeb, Starlink, IoT and AI integration. Smart cities, connected, AI-powered network optimization. Sustainable networks, focus on energy efficiency. Vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.